My good friends here, I've got one of the workers, one of the ladies who works here. And I find it strange because in most cases in the sites I only see men, but I have seen several girls here. So I want her to represent the ladies. She will talk in Kiswahili, but I will talk in English, so that I ask her several questions. Sasa nataka kuuliza swali moja. How does it affect you in your house?
Haini affect kitu.
In any way? Your relationship with your spouse, does it affect because of this hard work?
No.
It does not affect at all. So, yes, good morning, my good viewers, wherever you are. Continuing with this site, it was being backfilled when I was showing you the other video. At this particular time, we are now completing it by having that compressor that is compressing and making sure all the materials are well compacted to have a very secure and a good floor. This is the ground floor, as you know, foundation floor, but well done because upon it the house will be built. As you can see, the compressing machine that is manually operated. Here most of things are done manually to have people get something on their table in the evening, because if you have to make these automatic machines, our people have problem because, as you know, in that world countries, youth are more than elderly people, and they are educated, but job opportunities are very rare. So in every opportunity that we have, we must make sure they get something, and they also involved in large numbers. As you can see, there are all these young men here working. One supervisor supervising them and doing the feeling as the compaction is taking place. So most likely the material will go down, and there's a particular level that is will be all of it. As you can see, it's my good friend. This friend Ikidongo from Super Highway Estate, Kenyatta Road, Juja, Kenya. Wherever you are, I greet you so much. Those my friends in America, thank you for following me. I think my subscribers, my friends in Canada, not forgetting Isaac, Kamau, you and many other followers in Canada. Thank you so much, wherever you are. Thank you so much. And my friends in the UK, thank you so much. I cannot forget a friend in UK who sent me airtime. God bless you so much. I am not saying my name here, but I highly appreciated it. Thank you so much for supporting what I'm doing. I also remember my friends who are also in Kenya, and there are many and majority. Most of people in the Kenyatta Road, Highway Estate, they follow me big. I'm surprised wherever I go. I want to introduce myself, but tell me they know me. They have been following me. They follow me throughout from the time I started. I'm humble. My friends, I'm humbled that you can follow novice like me and follow me every day and making it become a YouTuber partner. It's not a mean achievement. God bless you, my people, wherever you are. You are following me, you are viewing, you are commenting, you are sharing. It's highly appreciated. Thank you so much. Good friends, please feel appreciated. And one time or the other, I know you'll meet. Some are telling me when they come to Kenya, they see me. You are most welcome. Thank you, my good people, wherever you are. Let's continue with this work as we will continue until it is concreted. The slab is put in place, and I want to show you the process. I'll show you earlier another process that last year. But this is a different area, different soil profile. So I want you to see the engineer is the same, some workers are the same, but others are new. So let me show you what goes on here as compression starts. Is continuing, as you can hear the noise of compressing machine. Thank you, my good friends. Thank you for following me. Thank you. I show you this so that you can know how we do it here in Kenya. And even when you are there and you want to come and buy property here, and remember in Kenya, everybody is welcome. You don't have to be a Kenyan to come and have properties here. Anybody can have properties in Kenya. There's in our in our constitution, in our laws, there's a place for investors coming from there. And many of them are here in Kenya. They have even come and build houses and sell them. So there's no limitation. We don't discriminate white or black. We are all the same. Come, and they have invested people from America, from Canada, from UK, those who are not Kenyans. And they are here and they are living big. Thank you, my good friends. And as I remind you, you remember, here in Kenya we have got one of the branches of United Nations headquarters. One of the headquarters is here in that world country is in Kenya. So we have so many nationalities in Kenya. From all the nations of the world who are in the United Nations are represented here in Kenya. And most of them have bought properties here and they are living here well. Thank you, my good friends. Most welcome as we continue showing you what's happening here in the real time, not photoshopping, but the real thing happening here in Kenya. And as I told you, this is a real thing. The house being built here we sold at 23 million, and we said it's $200,000, and you get a house, good house, 4-bedroom house, beautiful, everything and suite. Very big lobby, very big living room, a very big kitchen, everything that you need is here and done so much to a very high standard. Welcome, my good friends. Let's continue. My good friends, you can see now this one has been done to perfection. This particular room, it is the living room. This one is done well, and you can see there's a space remaining for the concrete, and it has been well compacted. Looking there again, that particular room is being compacted. It is the entrance to the house. It is the porch, and it will also be having the stairs. People are preparing for the next step that is coming soon of casting the first slab. See it done. As we compact, workers are still putting material where it's required. Because as we compact, the material will go down and others will fill, and it must be left at a standard that is supposed to be. There's about some centimeters, some millimeters, 150 millimeters space must be left. And I don't know what to happen. I don't know what to happen to this one here because it is too much to the top. Let's see what will happen. My good friends, I showed you after this process last year the different locations. What's happening, my good friends? Work is still going on here. So remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, my good friends, those who are doing so. And that's the vehicle carrying the compressor. Again, you have to finish. You hurry for some time. The longer it stays in your site, the more you pay. So you must do your work well, so that when it's come, it just does the work uninterrupted, and take as little time as possible. If you are not careful, it can cost you a lot. My friends, that's work still continuing. Come along as we continue. My friend, this I've been told this one, the living room is like this, because it will be having a sunken floor. Other floor will be standard floors, but this one will be sunken. That's why you see they have left almost 6 inches or so. 6 or 18 centimeters to make it beautiful, so that it will be lower than any other room here. We continue in the the work. The compacting machine has been put on to complete this small laundry area. This is sunken floor. And you can see how manually he's driving it manually. He's driving it manually. And then it must pass over that trapper and go to that area where compacting is taking place. And that's the final bit he's doing. Finish. Complete the work of compacting. And then we go to the next process of putting anti-termite. They wet this compacted floor, and then they put termite chemicals, then cover it with polythene paper to ensure it lasts for about 50 years or so. It's compacting taking place. Manually done. You can see the energy using to turn it around. You can see the effort it's putting. That's what it is here. The Highway Street, Kroad, Kenya, Africa, and work continues. You can see my good people here. They are using water in a pipe to get the level of the floor. Two people, that pipe has water, and they have to mark where they want the floor, the height of floor be, both sides, and it must agree. So let's go to what you want. You mark it using that nail. And the process goes on. You do all of them until you make sure the floor will be level. Checking the level of water, the pipe level. So they used to use the spirit level, and now they have improvised their own. The work continues. Compressor man, try to turn it around, which is out of force, manual force, until it goes direction where you want it to go, and it is in there. The work of compacting has complete, and it is preparing to exit the scene. You want to go to this machine compactor into the truck. Here we call them pickup. In other countries here they call them trucks. Preparing the walls for the next exercise of casting the slab, the first slab. My good friends, I want to see how we improvise in the work here in Kenya, Africa. See how he want to load the machine, compressing machine, to his truck. See how he does it. How he arrange the fiber. You can see my good friend putting down there, them down there. Let's see how to get into the truck. One man show. And from here you go to another site. So with that single machine, Jan is leaving. And this is Kenya, Africa. So I do it. The machine is there, going into the pickup truck. The pickup truck, and you see. There it is. It is settled and work done, and you get his 3D. So my good friends, now they are preparing the height of, or the depth of the slab, and then they're preparing for the next step to go. And my good people, with that, he is gone. So my good people, this is break time. People are going to replenish the energy by taking a cup of tea and a donut. Here we call them madazi. The site has got so many people. A lot of work is going on concurrently. As you can see here, they are building the perimeter walls. They're going on here. And we have got many people working here. I can see there's someone here who is making a kill. There are so many people now. This is break time. Break time is tea time. Na wewe kunipatia madazi hata moja. Sasa hapa people. Break time. It's a break time. Sasa hapa. Joyce. Why Joyce yeye? Joyce. This break time, people are replenishing the energy. Yes. Sema hi. Yes. Mnasema hi. Yes. Whatever people watch you. They watch you. Say your name.
My name is Gabitu.
Yes. What are you doing here in this site? Ameogopa kuuza Kiingereza. It's break time. People are taking tea. Hata mimi nitakunywa a cup of tea. Break time. People are enjoying. They have been working. Yes, they are welcoming us tea. My good people, this is the fun of our site, construction site here in Kenya, Africa. Kenya, Africa. As you can see it, materials are coming in for the constructions. Materials, machine cut machine material. My good friends, here I've got one of the workers, one of the ladies who works here. And I find it strange because in most cases in the sites I only see men, but I have seen several girls here. So I want her to represent the ladies. She will talk in Kiswahili, but I will talk in English, so that I ask her several questions. Sasa nataka aseme jina lako.
Rose Wangeshi.
Rose Wangeshi is her name. Ulianza kazi hii lini? 2023. Na mbona ukakuja kwa mijengo?
Ni venye tu nilipata kazi ya haraka ili nitafanya.
Oh, she came here because all the work is easier to get than other jobs. Now since you wanze, imekusaidiaje kwa maisha yako?
Imenisaidia sababu ndio nakula na kunywa na lipa shule.
Oh, everything helps you in your home state. Na sasa, are you a mother?
Yes.
How many children? 2 children. And does this work affect your relationship with them? In any way, it doesn't affect? Or you find it's okay like any other job? Before this job, which job were you doing?
Hotel.
Ulikuwa ya hoteli. I thought hoteli ilikuwa nzuri kwako. Mbona ukapenda hii ngumu namna hii?
Venye tu hiyo niliacha kufanya, ndio nikaanza kufanya mjengo.
Na tangu waze mijango unaona mjango ni mzuri. So I'm asking her why she was working in a hotel, but she left it to come to this work. And asking her, how does she find it? She says she finds it okay. Sasa nataka kuuliza swali moja. How does it affect you in your house?
Haini affect kitu.
In any way? Your relationship with your spouse, does it affect because of this hard work?
No.
It does not affect at all. So will you ask other ladies to come and do this work?
If they want.
If they want. Because there are so many crying that they don't have jobs. And they will find this job, it is okay. Does it give you energy in the evening to go do your homework after this work?
Yes.
Okay. And you are able to wake up very early? Where do you live?
Kenyatta Road.
Kenyatta Road. So you don't move long distances. So I thank you so much for your cooperation. God bless you and your family. As we continue, my good friends, you have heard one of the ladies here who is working, and she says this work is good since she came to the site. She's satisfied with what she gets and also the work itself. It does not affect her relationship with her spouse in any way. Let's continue with this work. People, this is where the mortar is being prepared, and we are seeing people picking the mortar and taking it to places where the fundis or the masons are working. And you can see they are working on this wall. They are building the wall, as you can see. And you are seeing the lady who just talked to us carrying the mortar to the required point. As usual, my good friends, clubbing work starts just here in the foundation. The pipes, or clubbing pipes, are put in position before the slab is casted. And that is what's going on here. They are going to do it before the casting of the slab. Here are the materials for concreting the first floor. I'm casting it BRC, that you can see it there. You are seeing some trappers being brought around. There are the D8 metal rods, and again there are chemicals will be needed for anti-termites and any one of those growing insects that may damage the floor will be put before covered by a polythene paper. My good people, this is the insect sites, that which will be preventing insects from attacking this house, especially the foundation. It will be sprinkled here over this surface now, and at the same time it will be covered by
polythene bag, paper, as I'll show you. It will be diluted to required amount in the tank, and it will be sprinkled here as I will show you. Thank you for following. Keep on following, my good people. That's how it is. 1 liter of it will be enough for this service here.
So my good friends, here there is now the chemical and termites and insects chemical that will be poured on the floor before it's covered by polythene paper to prevent attack of any type of insects in the foundation. And I understand this is effective for about 50 years. Now we have seen that lady going to do that work. Oh, we are also seeing Wangeshi doing it, so that it will affect. So they are used to this chemical. They don't think it is harmful in any way. That's BRC. Those are plumbers with their work, because there's much which should be buried here in this foundation that we're noticing. And we are seeing them fixing the foot of the stairs. That's the foot of the stair being put on the space.
Leta kokoto, leta mwaga maji basi. Mbona ni mwaga kwa dawa yako hapa chini? Mwaga maji. Dawa yako inaingia. Mpaka weke dawa yako inaingia. Nenda kidogo. Nasema dawa yako inaingia. Haya. Hii ajue inafanya aje. Tutafungua hizi baita. Hizo baita ndio zina.
That is anti-termites chemical being sprayed there to the foot of the stairs.
Hata nilifundisha kulipa na bimu, niongeza tu kwa bimu. Leta kokoto.
Kokoto iko hapa.
Tunajenga tu mpaka hapa ama inakuja kujoin hivi. Kalia hii ambayo tunakoroga. Kama una mimba usijaribu.
Sprinkling on the anti-termites solution going on here by these two ladies. It is Wangeshi and we have Pauline here. Two ladies, Wangeshi and Pauline, doing the work. Because make sure every space is covered by the chemical, and termite chemical. It's going on. Then we shall see what is going on after this. The foot of stair has been put in place. Preparing. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, commenting, and subscriptions. Thank you.